back to Solutions Wonder Gaming channel, guys. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to get subscribers and likes in easy way, guys. Simple. Just you need to install one app, guys. That app is Exchange app, guys. Here you can see Exchange app. So I will show you in Play Store. So search for Exchange app, guys. Yeah, Exchange app. And third one, here you can see Exchange app, sub like and views for channel. You need to install it. So after installing, you need to open it, guys. And it will ask to someone it will ask to sign in, guys. And it like this it will come when you sign in. You need to click on like videos, guys. So if you click on like videos, some videos will come, guys. So you need to click like and see the video. If you want to subscribe it also, here some options are there. So I'll show you. This is watch, guys. If you watch for 60 seconds, you can get 20 coins. These are subscribe, guys. If you see for 60 seconds and subscribe, you can get 35 coins, guys. So if your wish, guys, you can do anything. If you want to see another videos, guys, just here you need to click see next, guys. So you can get another videos. You can see any videos, guys. I will show you and I will see one video. Yeah, this I will show. Wait. So guys, you need to click on like, guys. Yes, you need to click on like. And the video will come, guys. Here you can see. You need to wait for, at the down you can see 50 seconds and 25 coins. If you watch for 60 seconds, you can get 25 coins, guys. 25 coins. So let's wait. So guys, you need to see the full video, guys. And here you can see you need to like it, guys. Click on like it. After liking, now like the coins, here you can see clam. So click on clam, guys. So okay, then I had 310 coins, guys. And for subscribers, I will show you to get subscribers. Here you can see champions, guys. You need to click on the champions to create any champions, and you need to have 350 coins, guys, to create a champion. For subscribers, guys, here you can see already I have been created champion. You need to click create champion, guys, and here you can see subscribe, views, likes, comments, guys. Everything you can choose. Anything you can choose. So I am choosing subscribe, and here you can see open channel and search. You need to click for search, guys. Wait. You need to click on search, guys, so your videos will come. So guys, you need to select one video, guys. I will select this video. And you need to select duration, guys. Your wish, you can select anything. So I am selecting 60 seconds. Here you can see, guys, 350 coins to create champion for subscribers. And for views means I will show it. I will show you. to select your video and click 6. Here you can see guys, just only 200, and here you can select anything guys to get some subscribers. Anything you can choose. So okay guys, for likes I'm gonna create the champion. So I will create, just you need to click on create champion guys. And here you can see some conditions. If you do not follow our terms, then we could suspend your account without any notice. Follow the guide to get permanent subscriber. Otherwise, don't complain about this app. Champion could take few days to start. Once it started, complete faster. Only confirm if you agree with it. So okay guys, we need to follow these terms guys. You need to click agree and continue. So yes guys, it has been created. So much time will happen, some time will happen to done the champion guys. And you need to click on views. So I'm gonna come. But guys, here you can see in progress. Some time will happen to get the likes. Okay guys, after the champion finish it, you need to wait for some time guys to get subscribers or views or comments or likes. You need to wait for some time guys. So at that way you can get whatever you created the champion. So okay guys, after finishing the champion, you can get the subscribers or likes or whatever you create. You can get guys. You need to wait for some time to get maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes into wait guys. At that way you can get. And guys, if it doesn't work out, so you need to try again guys. First time it failed means second time maybe it can come guys. So okay, in this video I'm telling you how to get subscribers, views, likes, comments guys. If you like this, please like it guys and share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel guys. And after subscribing, activate the bell icon. Okay guys, we will meet in the Minecraft episode 8 guys. We'll meet in the Minecraft episode 8, and until then, bye.